Study describes risk factors for people with chronic pancreatitis to develop diabetes. 9 foods you should eat to save your pancreas from damage after 50 years will be today's video topic. Did you know that the pancreas plays a crucial role in our health, especially as we age? The pancreas is a crucial organ in the digestive system and in controlling blood sugar levels. It is located in the upper abdomen, behind the stomach, and plays important roles in both the digestive and endocrine systems. Small changes in your diet can make a big difference in your health and well-being. Before we begin, tell us in the comments if you've ever had any experience related to pancreatic health. Your experience could be of great value to the health of many. Let's understand the importance of the pancreas in health after the age of 50. The pancreas plays a crucial role in health after the age of 50, as it is responsible for regulating blood sugar levels and producing essential enzymes for digestion. After this age, some issues become more relevant, like diabetes, for example. The risk of developing diabetes increases with age. The pancreas is responsible for producing insulin, a hormone that regulates blood glucose levels. Problems with the pancreas can lead to disturbances in blood sugar control, resulting in type 2 diabetes. We also have pancreatitis. Pancreatitis can be acute or chronic. After the age of 50, chronic pancreatitis becomes more common due to the gradual wear and tear on the organ over the years, especially if there is excessive alcohol consumption or a history of gallstones. Pancreatic cancer. The risk of developing pancreatic cancer certainly increases with age. It's an aggressive type of cancer often diagnosed late, which complicates treatment. Therefore, it's important to be alert to symptoms such as unexplained weight loss, persistent abdominal pain, and jaundice, which is a medical condition characterized by yellowing of the skin, mucous membranes, or eyes. Digestion. The pancreas produces digestive enzymes that are essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. With age, the pancreas' ability to produce these enzymes may decrease, which can lead to digestion problems such as indigestion and nutrient malabsorption. Therefore, maintaining a healthy lifestyle after age 50 is crucial to preserving pancreas health. This includes a balanced diet, control of alcohol consumption, regular physical exercise, and regular medical follow-up to monitor the health of the organ and prevent complications. Did you know that a balanced diet can contribute to the health of your pancreas and general well-being after the age of 50? So before we start on the 9 foods, I would like to share with you an ebook of delicious healthy recipes, perfect for promoting a nutritious and tasty diet, which today as a gift is for less than $10. Just check the link in the first pinned comment. Understanding the importance of a balanced diet, now let's look at the foods that promote pancreas health. The broccoli is an excellent choice for pancreas health due to its high content of antioxidants and bioactive compounds, which help reduce inflammation and protect the organ. Consuming broccoli regularly can help prevent pancreatic diseases such as pancreatitis and cancer. It can be eaten raw in salads, steamed, sautéed with other vegetables, or added to soups and smoothies to boost your vegetable intake in a delicious and nutritious way. Spinach, rich in nutrients for the pancreas. Spinach is rich in nutrients such as iron, vitamins A and C, and contains antioxidant compounds that help protect the pancreas. Its regular consumption can aid in the prevention of pancreatic diseases, such as pancreatitis and cancer. Add fresh spinach to salads, juices, or smoothies, sauté it with garlic and olive oil for a tasty dish, or include it in omelets and pasta to increase vegetable intake in a healthy and delicious way. Olive oil, healthy fat for the pancreas. We couldn't forget olive oil, a source of healthy fats that can protect your pancreas and promote digestive health. Olive oil is an essential component of the Mediterranean diet and is known for its benefits for heart health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases, including pancreatic diseases. Its regular consumption can help protect the pancreas from oxidative damage and inflammation. Use olive oil as a base for dressing salads, grilling vegetables, pasta, and even sautéing vegetables. Incorporating extra virgin olive oil into your daily diet can be a healthy and tasty choice to promote the health of your pancreas and overall well-being. Turmeric is a spice known for its anti-inflammatory. Antioxidants and their positive impact on the pancreas are no exception. Turmeric is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can be beneficial for pancreatic health. Its active compounds, such as curcumin, have been linked to reducing the risk of pancreatic inflammation and aiding in the prevention of pancreatic disease. diseases such as pancreatitis and cancer. You can incorporate turmeric into your diet by adding it to dishes like curry, soups, smoothies, or even making turmeric teas. Try including this golden spice in your meals to promote your pancreas's health and enjoy its antioxidant benefits. It's important to note that turmeric is most effective when consumed raw or added at the end of cooking hot foods, as excessive heat can degrade its active compounds. Apples, a refreshing fruit for the pancreas. Apples are not just a delicious fruit, but also a valuable ally in promoting pancreatic health. They are an excellent source of soluble fiber, antioxidants, and flavonoids, which can help promote pancreatic health. Studies suggest that regular consumption of apples is associated with a lower risk of pancreatitis and may even help prevent pancreatic cancer. You can enjoy apples in various ways, such as eating them raw as a snack, adding them to salads, baking them with a sprinkle of cinnamon for a healthy dessert, or even making fresh juice. Incorporating apples into your daily diet can be a delicious and nutritious way to take care of your pancreatic health. Nuts, a source of protein and healthy fats for the pancreas. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can be beneficial for pancreatic health. Studies suggest that regular consumption of walnuts may help reduce the risk of pancreatitis and provide protection against pancreatic cancer. You can add walnuts to your diet in various ways, such as a healthy snack, sprinkled on salads, yogurts, or added to hot dishes like pasta and vegetables. Incorporating walnuts into your daily diet can be a delicious and nutritious way to promote your pancreatic health and overall well-being. Green tea, a revitalizing drink for the pancreas. Green tea is not only a refreshing beverage, but also a potent ally in supporting pancreatic health. Rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, green tea has been associated with numerous health benefits, including potential protection against pancreatic diseases. Studies suggest that regular consumption of green tea may help reduce the risk of pancreatitis and pancreatic cancer. To enjoy the benefits of green tea for your pancreas, simply brew a cup of high-quality green tea leaves in hot water and steep for a few minutes. You can enjoy it plain or with a touch of honey for added sweetness. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine can be a simple and enjoyable way to support your pancreatic health and overall well-being. Avocado. Avocado is an excellent source of healthy fats, such as monounsaturated fatty acids, which have been associated with reducing the risk of pancreatic inflammation. Additionally, avocado contains antioxidants and fiber that can promote overall digestive health. Here are some ways to consume avocado guacamole. Prepare a delicious guacamole by adding mashed avocado, tomato, onion, cilantro, lemon juice, and salt to taste. Serve with tortilla chips or use as a topping for tacos, burritos, and other Mexican dishes. Avocado salad. Add avocado cubes to mixed green salads to add creaminess and flavor. Combine with ingredients like tomato, cucumber, feta cheese, and vinaigrette dressing for a light and nutritious meal. Smoothies. Add avocado to smoothies for a creamy and nutritious texture. Combine with fruits like banana, strawberry, spinach, and almond milk for a healthy and energizing smoothie. Avocado toast. Spread slices of ripe avocado on toast or whole wheat bread and season with salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Add tomato, scrambled eggs, or smoked salmon for a quick and satisfying breakfast or snack option. These are just a few ideas for incorporating avocado into your diet in a delicious and nutritious way, thereby promoting the health of your pancreas and digestive system as a whole. Blueberries. Rich in antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, blueberries may help protect the pancreas against oxidative damage and inflammation. Regular consumption of blueberries may be associated with a lower risk of pancreatitis and other pancreatic diseases. Here are some ideas for consuming them. Smoothies. Add frozen blueberries to smoothies for a refreshing dose of antioxidants. Mix with other fruits like bananas and strawberries and add some Greek yogurt or almond milk for a nutritious and tasty drink. Fruit salads. Include blueberries in fruit salads to add color and flavor. Combine with fresh fruits like strawberries, kiwis, and pineapple and drizzle with a little lemon juice to enhance the flavors. Toppings. Use fresh or frozen blueberries as a topping for breakfast cereal, oatmeal, or yogurt. They add natural sweetness and a touch of freshness while providing an extra dose of antioxidants to your meal. Desserts. Add blueberries to desserts like muffins, pancakes, or waffles. They not only add delicious flavor, but also contribute to the texture and moisture of these dishes. Snacks. Enjoy blueberries as a healthy snack, alone or mixed with other nuts and fruits. They are a convenient and nutritious option to reduce hunger between meals. As we wrap up our list of 9 foods that promote pancreatic health after 50, I hope you feel inspired to make positive changes in your diet to care for this vital organ. Remember that small changes can have a big impact on your health and overall well-being. Which of these foods do you already regularly include in your diet? Share with us in the comments. It's important to highlight that the content provided is for educational and informational purposes and should not replace direct guidance from a qualified healthcare professional. We always recommend seeking appropriate medical advice and assistance for any specific health concerns. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on promoting a healthy life after 50, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can make a positive difference in our lives. Thank you for watching, and until the next video.